In the past, getting more leads to grow your business meant either hiring more SDRs, working with marketing agencies, or spending hours hunting through LinkedIn for the right people for your business. But that's all gone. With Monday CRM Lead Agent, you can do the work in seconds, and it will bring fresh leads to you every day to grow your business. Let's see how we set this up in less than 1 minute. First, click on Agents inside Monday CRM on the left-hand side, and click on Activate. The first thing you'll notice is that the lead agent will identify your ICP, your ideal customer profile, based on your company and the information you provide. Next, you can either refine it by giving it a prompt, maybe searching through specific leads in a company, or going to the details and setting these things directly. Once we've decided who our ICP is, click Next to decide where those leads go, and one more time to decide how often and how many of them will be added to your board every day. And that's it. You have a new AI lead agent running automatically in your system. Those leads will be brought into your team every day so your teams can start working and growing the business. Each lead will be added to the board when you can automate and add additional functions and information on top of the data that's provided. Under a minute, new lead agent in your product. Congratulations.